I was brought up, you know, however rough it was, that's what it is, and that's just life. I mean, there's a lot of people out there that have everything a lot harder than I do. My name is Carlos Ulberg. I'm a professional fighter. Yeah, I get up real early. I mean, you know, I do my run. Usually training about 3 times a day. Some days I do classes, I take PTs, personal training classes. We see a problem, police trying to dot him, Dwayne Johnson, rock bottom. With Samoa and Māori, and I get all the support both ways, and you know, being a Kiwi as well, it's definitely sort of helped me out. Everyone asks me, you want to be a boxer, or you want to be a kickboxer, or you know, mixed martial artist. You know, I'll be honest, it's wherever the money's at, and that's where I'm heading. I don't want to have to be doing this for nothing. Make sure I can feed my family as well, you know.
Many eggs are going into that omelette, huh?
Oh man, as many as I can get in there. You know, going from foster care from the age of, say, I think it was about 4 up to, you know, back and forth to about 15 or so. I learned a lot. I learned a lot from it. And you know, going from different families, I guess I learned to adapt now. You're just pretty much living with a different family. That's all it is. And you'd rather be with a family than on the streets, you know. However hard it might be, whether you're getting beat up by older kids, and that's how I was, you know. I was getting beat up by older kids and within the foster care, but they taught me to be stronger, they taught me to be the person that I am now. Being in the Mark Hunt camp, it was good. Sparring with him, meeting with loads of UFC guys. And also just learn off Mark, learn off all these guys that I'm getting to meet, you know. And it's given me a lot of confidence, and I'm pretty sure it's helped me in my mind.
Time to get real, man.
So my next fight is a mixed martial arts fight. That'll be my pro debut in China. The big goal is to be in the biggest organization in the world and fight for them. It's the home of the slopes, not the hawks or the mob. Leopards or the panthers, running from the mud.
Are you a little bit worried about ruining your good looks?
Oh, you know, there's always ways around it. You know, there are ways and there are ways. I know that I'm going to get banged up one time. It's going to hurt. I haven't been hurt just yet real bad, but I mean, I'm expecting it, and you know, who cares? Dressed in the leather, eyes covered by the shark. Carry on your flesh, never